A heart that beats both day and night, a mind that learns and sees the light. Every breath, every move we make, a wonder of creation for life's sake. The human body, strong and wise, a marvelous gift before our eyes. From head to toe, a perfect design, a masterpiece through space and time. Every cell, every part we see, a miracle of life and harmony.